Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical and software prerequisites. Plug the drive directly into a USB 3. Export with a certified cable so the hardware can reach its rated throughput. Next, check the drive's file system. NTFS or XFAT prevents small file overhead that slows transfers. Once done, open Device Manager and update the USB and chipset drivers so Windows talks efficiently to the controller. These steps remove the most common bottlenecks before deeper tuning. Now you dive into configuration. Switch your power plan to high performance and disable USB selective, suspend to stop intermittent slowdowns. Then open the drive's properties right arrow policies and enable write caching. This raises sequential throughput, but remember to use safely remove. Make sure the USB controller is using XHCI USB 3. X drivers so the host negotiates high-speed transfers. Finally, if transfers still stutter, test with large sequential files to isolate file system versus to finish, measure performance with a simple benchmark to confirm improvements and baseline expectations. If speeds remain low, swap the cable and port or test on another computer to determine whether the host or the drive is at fault. If the drive's firmware update is available, apply it. Otherwise, consider reformatting to NTFS or XFAT after backing up data. If all else fails, the final troubleshooting tip is to suspect hardware. Replace the cable or the drive and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.